Dr. Singh, I often see prices quoted per implant. Is that an indication of what the final cost will be?
When you see a price being quoted, it's sometimes misleading because people quote the price for an implant. And even if they did stick to the price for that implant, there's no consideration given to what's going to go on top of the implant. The implant is simply the foundation piece that goes inside the bone that you never see. So the final result is going to depend on what's the implant plus the crown that goes on top of it, what's the implant plus the denture that it supports, or what's the implant plus the full arch or full bite reconstruction that it's going to support. So the implant is actually just a small part of the final solution, and so it can be misleading when people, in order to get you to attract your business, they would quote the lowest possible price. It's like a car dealer quoting you a from price, and you going in and finding out that, oh, we need a steering wheel, we need 4 wheels, we need seats and whatever else, and all of a sudden the price escalates. So it's important to understand what it is you're trying to achieve at the end of the day, and make sure you're getting a solution that works for you and not just the implant price.